everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today we're talking about the dynamic duo of digital age, multimedia and ICT. What is multimedia? So what exactly is multimedia? Simply put, multimedia is combination of different contents, forms like text, images, audio, video, and more. It's engaging way to convey information, entertain, or educate. What is ICT? Now let's talk about ICT, Information and Communication Technology. ICT refers to technology that enable us to access, process, and communicate information from computers and smartphones to the internet and social media. ICT has transformed the way we live, work, and interact. So what are the benefits? Number 1, education. Multimedia and ICT make learning fun and interactive. Think about online classes, educational apps, and video tutorials. You can learn anytime, anywhere. Number 2, communication. Distance is no longer a barrier. With ICT, we can connect the people across the globe instantly through messaging, video calls, and social media. 3. Business and work. Companies use multimedia for presentations, advertisement, and even virtual meetings. ICT makes work faster, more efficient, and more global. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment